Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today we're going to talk about Mesh by Amazon trending niches. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. Quick reminder, Creative Fabrica is organizing this month a deal where you can have all access for only $9 per month. You have all the regular access with all their font, all their design, and much more, as you already know. So if you have not yet subscribed, please use the link below and join. Is going to be for only $9. Now pay attention, if you already have access to Creative Fabrica, you need to log in through an incognito mode or maybe log out of your account, because if you don't log out, you won't see this page available where you can have access to $9. Instead, what you will have, it's a page like this one where they are talking about bargain available left and so on. Okay, but if you want to have access to the deal where you can have access only for $9, log out to your account or open in incognito mode, and of course use another email if you want to join. Again, the link in the description below. Thank you. The tool we're gonna use today to find our trending design is gonna be Podly. Okay. When you log into your Podly account, what we're gonna do for trending design, we're gonna look for design that have been created in the past 2 weeks. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on this date published, which is right there. Date published here. Click on the date, and let's say even from the beginning of this month. Okay, design created from the 1st. I'm gonna select the one here and click set date. Okay, and I'm gonna look for item with a BSR below 200k. Okay, so BSR around 200k. Don't worry about the 200. Don't use the average BSR last 30 days because of course it's only 17 days. So only move the BSR range up to 200,000. You leave everything else empty and you click on search. What we are looking here are, first of all, niches that can be job, profession, activities, hobbies, etc. But we are also looking for codes that we can use for our scalable design, for example. Okay, and of course we want to avoid everything that is trademark, etc. And I don't usually do design based on politics. That's why this kind of design I want to do. But if politics is something that you want to do, of course, do your due diligence and check for trademark, etc. Okay, that's why I'm going to avoid this 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗖𝗢𝗏, this 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔, etc., etc. What I can see on this design is life is good, teacher Daisy, teach school sunflower. So I can take note, open an Excel sheet, and for example, say, okay, sunflower teacher. That is a niche that we can definitely work on. And you can of course click on the heart button here to put it as a favorite, so you can come back to it later. Another design that we can see here, let's say not your breakfast taco t-shirt. This is a niche that we can of course use, and a code, and you can of course chain tacos for everything that you would like to have in the morning. Every food, we can certainly scale that with all the breakfast. Okay, all the foods that you like. You can see this design, rooster, another niche that we can use. Sunset rooster, regulate your cock. Okay, but they say regulate your rooster. Regulate your rooster. Okay, but of course people are thinking about something else. Okay, if you are with me, you are with me. But certainly, so this is certainly a funny design that you can use, and it's pretty easy. Okay, and another one here, regulate your rooster. I don't know if it's a trademark, so let's go to our trademark. I'm gonna use the rooster. I'm gonna type regulate your rooster, and nothing. It's not, there is no brand. Okay, no trademark on it. Now let's type in on Google your rooster shirt. We can see even it is auto completed on Google, so this is definitely something. regulate your and the design. And if we even know what does it mean, because we can see here regulate your rooster meaning. What is it? Looks like nothing offensive, but certainly funny, and I'm pretty sure people are thinking about something else. Okay, so in the past 2 weeks, in the past 17 days, I'll say, I can see a few design, 2 here, but certainly more design that have been created that say regulate and with this rooster, and that are making sale. So this is a tips for you guys. Go in there, do your due diligence again, check for the trademark. I already did, I found nothing, but on your side as well, do the same thing, check, and if you are comfortable, you can create a design, and I certainly will do one myself. Okay, and we'll continue like that. I can see here a design about cousin. This is a family design, cousin of the sweet one, so we can certainly change the cousin with everything, with brother, with sister, with grandpa, uncle. This is a scalable design that you can do right there. Okay, another niche, cornhole. That cornhole that you can use. Cornrows here, design created in the past 2 weeks, already made sale, means that it's a pretty good niche. So if you are using my list of scalable phrases, you can definitely create a design about more than 100. You will be able to create more than 100 design on the niche cornhole, and hopefully you can make sale. By the way, you can have access to my list using the first link in the description below. So here are the design on Podly that were created in the past 2 weeks that make certain sales. So this is what I wanted to share with you today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find any value in this video, and of course check the all access for only $9 on Creative Fabrica. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.